Let's go shopping at Enson Market in Gainesville, Florida. This is one of my favorite stores to go to for shopping sometimes. It's an Asian food market and they have all kinds of cool stuff in there, and the prices are not overly expensive either. So when you walk in, there's actually like fruits and vegetables, all kinds of stuff. So you can get everything here that you could get at like a Walmart or an Aldi's, stuff like that. But they also have stuff like turmeric and ginger, like fresh stuff that you don't necessarily find. The strawberries were on sale fairly cheap. We have all kinds of different things. Now we're going to walk through this aisle, which is the ramen noodle and rice aisle. So right here is all the rices that they have. Lots and lots of big bags, and then ramen noodles on the left. This is another aisle of some food that they have. Lots of good things. Some more ramen type meals. And then they have like a whole aisle towards like soy sauces and olive oils and stuff like that. Yum yum sauce. It's really cool. Different flavors. My husband, as you can tell, really likes this brand of soy sauce. We came here just for that, and those were in $1.99 each. They have different broths for like soups and stuff, all kinds of neat stuff. We're just gonna keep on going down the aisle. This is kind of like their frozen section. They have, even though it looks really gross, they have fish. They even have shark, which is kind of interesting because I've never really stopped and looked at the fresh fish before. Then they have like the different meats that you can get that's cut kind of fresh, and some of it kind of gets a little gross looking after that, but we're going to move on to the next part. These are more meats that they have. They have duck. They have all kinds of different meats, brisket, beef. They have freezer aisles, and then they have even chips that have like the Asian writing on them, and then like even Pepsi products that are, Asian with the little writing and stuff for their language. So, lots of cool things. I absolutely love the chips. I actually came here for the chips too, but I didn't find any chips. The deep rich chips are my favorite. Then they have it where you can order food to go. And they even have a sit down area, but you can do like bowls, you could do sushi. They have these mochi donuts that are coming up, and these mochi donuts are pretty good and they're pretty cute. And then lastly, like they have like a to-go section up towards the front of the store that has actual meals in it that you can get pre-made, which usually when I come, it's not during the week, so I don't usually get to see this stuff. Now my daughter absolutely loves the rice triangles, and these have like sushi rice and like tuna or whatever in it. And then they also have sushi that is Brazilian press, like $2.99 for that sushi, and it's like California rolls, stuff like that. And then at the checkout, they also, near the checkout, I should say, have cute little, different little snacks and stuff. But I thought these were cute, and then we checked out.